I think everyone loves a cup game. You never know who you're going to draw. Obviously we've drew someone from our league, but it's always exciting. I like when the draws come out, who you're going to get. It's always good to feel the nerves of it.
It's really exciting. Obviously today's going to be a bit of a tough game, but we're all up for it. So yeah, raring to go.
Everyone's really excited. It means a lot to captain the team. Foresters is a new team as well. So the ambition is to increase the growth of girls football in the area.
Initially it started as a grassroots football club, so everything's still very new. So that's the youth side, but obviously the women's side was really important because the ambition for the club is to have a full range of senior teams, so men and women's, and obviously a pathway from the grassroots, from the youth players right the way through. So for the women's team, we had the opportunity to start the women's team almost straight away, and we've been really lucky to do that, and it's gone really well so far.
I'm from Buckley, so for me it is a proud moment to represent the team. It's great to see people coming to watch us, getting the kids down, that sort of thing, and I think the whole team really live for that sort of ethos of Buckley Town. From what I've heard, they're a really strong team, so for us it's more about sort of getting together, holding the ball up, finding the next pass and moving on from there really, but yeah, going to be a tough game.
First 5 minutes we conceded, went 1-0 down, so it was a bit frustrating. I felt like we didn't play direct enough, hence why I went up front and just carried the ball a bit more, got some goals and got it settled. But yeah, overall good performance.
Proud of what the players do and proud of what the team behind the club's doing. I'm very proud of the players and the impact that they're having. But most of all, it's nice to see the excitement building on people's faces and having something that they're proud to be a part of. So for everybody in the club, I think it's a really fantastic experience to be here at the moment.